Hello! Today, I'll show you how to delete your YouTube history on mobile. To access YouTube history, tap on your profile icon, located in the bottom right corner of the screen. A screen displaying your activity on YouTube will open. To access your browsing history, tap on the View All button. All the videos you've watched while logged into your account are saved here. To delete a single video from your history, tap on the three dots on the right. Next, select Remove from Watch History. The video will be deleted. To delete all your watch history on YouTube, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Clear Watch History, then Confirm, and all your YouTube activity will be cleared. If you want to pause your YouTube watch history, you can do that too. Tap on the three dots above, select Pause Watch History, and then Confirm. Your watching activity on YouTube is now paused. Google also allows you to manage your search history activity on YouTube. To remove or pause your search history on mobile, tap on the gear icon above. Then select Manage All History. Tap on Saving Your Search History. If you want to disable your search activity, tap Turn Off, ensuring the Include Your Searches on YouTube checkbox is active. Once done, tap Turn Off again, then click Pause to deactivate the search history. If you'd like to set up automatic deletion based on time intervals, you can do that as well. Tap on Auto Delete, then choose between Don't Auto Delete and Auto Delete Activity Older Than. Tap Next and Confirm. Now, all your activity older than the specified interval will be automatically deleted. To reactivate YouTube activity saving on mobile, tap on Not Saving YouTube History. Then tap Turn On and Confirm. You can decide what to keep private by reviewing the settings below the button. If you want to save all your activity, go back to the Auto Delete option and choose Don't Auto Delete Activity. That's it. You've successfully removed your YouTube history and search activity, and set up your phone to keep or remove activity as you prefer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you.